Welcome to our channel. Subscribe to the channel and watch the new episodes every Friday at 12 p.m. Arizona time. You can also watch us on another platform. The link is in the description below. Today's video is called Nastya and Dad, the Magic of Washing Hands. Let's get started. Once upon a time in a big city, there lived a little girl named Nastya. She loved spending time with her dad. He would always make her laugh and was very good at telling jokes. They would often go to the park together where Nastya would feed the ducks and her dad would push her on the swings. But what they both loved most was washing their hands together. It was magical for Nastya because whenever she washed her hands, they turned into something else. Sometimes they became butterfly wings, sometimes a bird, a fish, or even an octopus. Of course, it only happened when her dad was around, and no one knew about this magic except for them. One day, while they were washing their hands under the water tap, Nastya asked her dad, "Why do we have to wash our hands before eating?" Her dad smiled and said, "It's not just because our hands can be dirty from playing outside. It's so that we can keep our bodies healthy. When we eat food, we put it in our mouths and then it goes inside our tummies and then into our blood. That's how our body gets energy. So if our hands are dirty, the food on them will also be dirty." "But I don't think my hands are dirty," Nastya said. "Oh, really? Then let me show you." Dad took a white sheet of paper and put it on the table. He dipped his fingers in some water and touched the paper. A brown spot immediately appeared. "See, these are germs. You can't see them, but they're everywhere. And when we touch things, we pick some of them up on our hands." "I still don't think I have any germs," Nastya said. "Then let's check," her dad said. He took some clear sticky tape, put it on Nastya's hand, and carefully peeled it off. Under the sticky tape, there were some specks of dirt. "Wow, I didn't know I had those on my hands," Nastya said. "When we wash our hands with soap and water, the soap kills the germs and washes them away. So now your hands are clean and safe," her dad explained. Just then, Nastya's mom entered the kitchen. "Let's wash our hands for dinner," she said. Nastya and her dad went to the sink, turned on the water tap, and started washing their hands. "Mom, can I wash my hands without soap?" Nastya asked. "What? Why?" Her mom looked at her in surprise. "Well, you know, without soap, they become butterfly wings or something like that," Nastya said. Her mom laughed. "That's funny, honey, but why do you want to wash your hands without soap?" "Because I want to see if the magic happens with soap too." Her mom thought for a moment. "Well, why don't we try and use cold water? In our house, we always use cold water to wash our hands instead of warm water." "Okay," Nastya said, and she washed her hands under the cold water tap. This time, when she dried her hands, instead of turning into something magical, they became totally normal. Nastya was very upset. "Dad, I want to see the magic again." He took her hand. "Don't worry, honey. I'm sure the magic still works. It's just that now we need to follow the 3 steps of washing hands." "3 steps? What do you mean?" "First, wet your hands with cold water," her dad said. Nastya nodded. "Then add soap and rub your hands together for at least 20 seconds. Finally, rinse them under the running water tap." Nastya repeated each step carefully. After washing her hands, she looked at them closely. The magic wasn't happening. She felt like crying. But then her dad said, "Now let's check if there are any germs left." He took the sticky tape, put it on her hand, and removed it. To her surprise, there weren't any germs. "Wow, so it does work," Nastya said happily. "Yes, it does. See, now your hands are clean." From that day on, Nastya made sure to wash her hands properly every time before eating. Now let's play a game and learn all the things that can make our hands dirty. In the first picture, a girl is playing with her dog outside. What could her hands be dirty from? Right, from touching the dog. In the second picture, a boy is painting. What could his hands be dirty from? Right, from the paint. The third picture shows a girl eating an apple. What could her hands be dirty from? Right, from the apple. And finally, a boy is reading a book. What could his hands be dirty from? That's right, from the book. And here is another game. Look at the clock. How many seconds do you think we should wash our hands? If you answered 20, you are right. Let's practice washing our hands and make sure we do it for 20 seconds. Okay, stop the video and wash your hands for 20 seconds. Did you manage to wash your hands for 20 seconds? If yes, well done. If not, it's okay. Next time you'll do better. It's time for another game. Can you name the germ? Here are some pictures of different germs. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, can you name all of them? Pause the video and write the answers down. Good job. Let's check the answers. Does anyone know what this germ is called? This is a bacterium. What about this one? This is a virus. And what about this one? This is a fungus. This one is also a virus. And finally, this is a bacterium. Well done, you know quite a lot about germs. Remember, friends, if we want to stay healthy, we must wash our hands regularly. It doesn't take much time, just 20 seconds. But it helps to protect us from illnesses and make sure our food is safe to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's story. We'll be back next week with a new story. See you soon. Bye. And now a bonus. Watch a video about the adventures of Nastya and her teddy bear. You can choose one of the options on the screen. Let's click the like button and leave a comment. And now let's enjoy the video.